Hey everyone, today we're doing an unboxing of the TYRI Lights model 1313. Now I've seen these lights in action, they are insanely bright, so I'm super excited to get these on my Jeep, put them to the test. Let's get to it. Alright, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So you've got your light, comes with the cover and the mounting bracket. You've got your pigtail. TYRI lights all come with an amber lens cover if that's what you want to do. Have your instruction sheet and information sheet. And of course, a golden ticket, a sticker. Now that I've seen what's in the box, I'm going to go ahead and get my tools laid out and we're going to get to measuring. Alright, now that I got these lights installed, I'm going to focus on the wiring. Now I highly recommend you solder and use marine grade heat shrink because we all know that Jeeps are meant for outdoor use. Now my Jeep has the auxiliary package, so the wiring is going to be pretty simple. Power goes in right here, and the ground will be this stud right back here. I always like to run my wires in factory locations, so the wiring harness is going to be tucked up underneath the bumper lip right here, which I have not done yet. Follow along the bumper, go underneath the grille there. And you can see right in there where I've come up underneath my grille. We'll follow it up, zip tie it with all the factory wiring, and connect it to my switches right here. So the install was pretty straightforward and simple, and these lights are wicked bright. It is definitely a huge benefit to only need one set of lights to light up an entire trail. I am really looking forward to hitting more trails with these lights lighting the way.